There's a New York City subway station. We are at the Rockefeller Ctr Station, which is which stop is that? That's this stop here, right? This one, 57th Street. Oh, look at that. Oh, is this the place where you this is the place where you buy Metro card. All right. Look, this is the booth. So that's the 58th Street corner. This is the turnstile. You could use the Metro card or you could pay by credit card here. Oh look, they accept Google Pay one and Apple Pay and credit cards. And that's where you do the Metro card. BDF. I want to go back up.
Hey, I feel like a train's here.
You feel like the train's here? It's the emergency. It is kind of smelly in here.
It should be the F train or the M train.
Yeah?
I recognize every single type of MTA train sound.
Oh, okay.
So it has to be the M train or the F train.
You want to go back up? Alright, let's go back up. Alright? Alright, let's go back upstairs. So that's a New York City subway station. Ugh. Look at that. I think that's like pea stain. Smells.
And now the train's leaving.
Oh yeah, it's okay. We're not taking a train. Let's come back up. And this, right? Is this the Rockefeller Ctr? Ah, that's Avenue of America.
It is the Rockefeller Ctr Station.
Oh wow, look at that. They're like pop-up cards.
Can we get one?
Maybe later. Hold up, Vincent. Look at this. Vincent, don't touch. Vincent, don't touch. Look at that.
I'm interested in the car.
They're like pop-up cards.
I know they are. Daddy, I want that BMW.
Oh, later. Alright, let's go. It's a halal stand. Alright, let's go.